Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to report unauthorized charges from Temu. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you notice any charges on your account that you don't recognize, the first step is to double check your order history in the Temu app or website. Sometimes a charge might be for a subscription or a recent purchase you forgot about. If you're sure it's unauthorized, open the Temu app. Once you open the Temu app, you need to tap on the U button on the bottom middle of your screen. Now tap on the Customer Support button on the top right corner. Tapping on it will take you to the Help Center where you can browse common questions. Then tap on Contact Us button at the bottom of the screen. It will connect you to a chatbot where you will have to share the nature of your problem and it will try to sort it out. It can potentially connect you to a real customer support employee which will see into your problem personally. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.